Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in Santa Clarita. Come in here around 10:30ish. Let's look around. People already got cartfuls, already stacks. Probably one of the worst times to come, but gonna start with the smaller sizes, starting in size 9. $70. $70 for Air Max 90s. Pretty freaking clean. This does have the leather on the toe box right there. That's a solid price. Blazer Jumbo's going for 50. LeBron's going for 100. Jordan 6. These are the golf right here, going for $180. Air Max 1s all of a sudden more than the 90s, $110. Why not? 0.6s going for 70. LeBron 21s right here. Go for 100. Okay, that's what's up. Horses going for 110. That's way too much. That's the ATL one right there. Okay. Super Wrap Goes going for 40. Jordan System 23s going for 50. Damn, I need to get more footage, yo. Everybody eating, dude. So I need to. Damn, dude. There's a lot of blank spaces, and they're already filling stuff up. So they probably got something big because they're already bringing out a lot more stuff. Cosmic Unities going for $70. I'm in the 9.5 now. Penny 2's going for $100. GT Cut 2's down to $80. That's a hell of a good price for those. Blazer Lows going for 40. Size 10 Air Max 97s for $80. I see some of the campers, they got like Dunks, they got Jordans, getting them for like $50 and stuff. So not bad if you come super early. I had to go pick up my kid from school. I had to go take him to school this morning because I got some stuff on the weekend. Okay. Soccer cleats right here going for $20. Pegasus 40s going for 60. $80 for these right here, size 10. Zoom Flies right here, size 10, going for $80. Zoom X Zagama Trails going for 80. Duck Boots. This is definitely the cheapest we've ever seen. These going for $80. Well, some people do love these. Okay. GT Hustle 2s right here, size 8, going for $80. Jordans right here, going for $120. 80 for the 37 lows. Dornbeckers here, going for $60. Dornbecker Prestos right here, $60 freaking dollars. Are you effing serious? Holy cow. Size 10.5. Do got some Jordan utilities right here, $80. $80 for the Jordan 1 highs right there. Got Tatum's down to $60, so we are finding some solid deals. 80 for the Air More Up Tempos right here. Right next to that, got LeBron 21s. $100 for those. Zoom Freaks going for 60, hella cheap. Decent colorway too. Zion 2s down to $60. Got some of these ACG mocks right here going for 50. Series mids going for 50 as well. If you come super early and you go against the campers, might be worth it, man. Seen a bunch of mids right there. They got for $50. Dunk lows, $50. Jordan 1 lows, $50. Jordan box logo tees normally $25, down to $10. $10. Vitamin, interesting colorway right there. Niner red right here, $10. Sweatshirts. These are all going for $25. Small, medium, and XL. This interesting piece right here. It is it's fleece, but it's a short sleeve, so you're kind of cold, but kind of not really. I don't know. I'm kind of confused about this one. $30. It's normally $90. It is a dry fit. Got button downs right here, $80 down to $30. Shorts, $15. And I do want to remind you guys, there is no returns here. Cannot return. Everything is a final sale. Nice fleece jackets right here, down to $30. They are thin though. They are thin. These are smalls as well. $25 for that one as well. And then I always get boners whenever I see Niner stuff, but then it always ends up being a freaking Trey Lance, man. Dang it. I got another fleece jacket right here, $50. Oh, this is just a pullover. My bad. Pretty thick. Yeah, normally $130 down to $50. That is a medium. University blue right here, $155 down to $60. Wow. This is like a really nice material. There's tech fleece right here. Normally $120. What's the reduced price, guys? What's the reduced price? That's the only one and doesn't have a markdown on it. Okay, they do have another one right here. These are marked down to $40. 40 bucks. Got more carts right here. Some of them doing it big, man. That's what you're competing with, so you just got to be hella quick whenever you come here. PSG shirts right here down to $15. That is a small though. All right, got some solid deals. Nothing too crazy in the apparel. Let's go back to the sneakers. Size 11. I'm curious to see what these Sabrinas are going for, and these are a women's size 11. That's a 9.5. Yep. $60 though. 60 bucks. That's probably the cheapest we've seen those. More of these going for 60 bucks. Immortality 2s down to $40. Holy cow. Bo Jackson trainers right here down to 60. Another one of the Dornbeckers. Is this from 2018? Because it says DB18. $60. That could be the 18th release of the Dornbeckers too. And got another one down here as well, size 10. Size 12 now. Infinity Run 4s. $80. $80, not bad. 50% off. I saw a Ross receipt. I was like, did someone get this at Ross and return it here? Nah, it's for something else. Vomero 16s go for 90. Cosmic Unities go for 70. I don't think I've shown what I got on feed. Do got some dunks. These are the Nike by You dunks. I got a set 11. I don't know how much I paid. I know I paid well under retail. The Nike by You dunks, leather is just so freaking nice on them. Worn them a couple times, just super clean. The dunks, they're more like a Raiders colorway too. But yeah, they got tech fleece. I got tech fleece top and bottom. I never match. I never match and wear like a set, but I did today. Moving to the size 13s, you got Metcon 8 Fly E's right here. I haven't seen no Fly E's version. Oh, the back, you just kind of do this just like they did with the Air Max 90s. 50 bucks. It's at size 13s, right? 70 for the Prestos. 2090s? Does anybody look for 2090s? I don't think I've ever seen anybody mention those. $80 for those. Just Forces, seen these in a few sizes. 60 for those. Jordan 1 Low OGs. Jordan 1 Low OGs. $110 for these. More GT cuts too, going for 80. Some blazers right here. SB blazers. Clean for $40. And then extra beefy gang, really not much for you guys. Size 14 and above. GT Hustles right here. GT Hustle 2s go for 80. Zoom Freak 560. Just Forces got a bunch of those. Cosmic Unities, hella bright. Look at this. Oh, it's a size 16. $35. Trying to get rid of that. 80 for the Air Max 270s. Here's Vaporfly Next Percent. Yeah, Vaporfly Next Percent. $100. More Zoom Freaks, go for 60. More Vaporfly Next Percent, $100. All right, we haven't checked out the kid sections in a while, so we're gonna check the boys and girls sections. Got some all black Forces. Oh, these aren't the OG ones, so they got like mesh on the panel right there. $80 for those. Comfort 11s right here. We're in the size 6.5, by the way. 50 for those. Some cleats right here, $25, not bad. Air Max 97s going for 70. These 70 as well. Some boots right here. Goterras going for 50. I guess I'm checking the 6.5, so that works for the women too. 5.5 right here, 70 bucks and 70 for those. I got cleats, which is good for younger kids. Don't know the price though. Wait, this one has the price on it. $15, pretty much free. Air Max 97s, $80. More Forces right here, 40 bucks for these. That's not bad, $40, okay. More $15 cleats, pretty much free. Kids grow out of it in like 6 months. Airmore Tempos, $60 for those. 70 for those Air Max right there. Got some recycle ones right here, going for 80, a little bit more. A ton of Air Max 97, 70 for those. Moving over to the women's section, look at this. Look at this, size 10 men's right there. Look at this, look at this. 11.5 women's, 50 bucks. 50 bucks for Jordan 2s. Are you serious? $50 freaking dollars. Holy cow. Holy cow. I should grab these, but I also know I shouldn't because I might buy a car on Monday, that's why. So yeah, I know I shouldn't. Jordan 2s right here. Look at this. Size 13 men's, 14 and a half. $50. Are you serious? Big Feet Gang right here. Size 15 men's, going for 50 as well. Got these mids right here. $50. $50 for these Jordan 1 mids right here. And then Sabrina Nike by You. Pretty much all white. Looks like it's been worn at least a little bit. 70 for those. Size 9.5 men's, size 11. $60 for those. And they got more mids right here. These are 11.5, so size 10 men's. $50. $50. And that's why there are campers here. Prices are pretty insane. Going back to being crazy. Jordan 2 lows right here. $70 for these. Remember, there are no take backs. There are no returns. Jordan 2's got a bunch of those. Jordan 1 lows right here, size 11. $40 freaking dollars. $40 freaking dollars. 9.5, $100 for these. I don't know how much these gold bullets are going for. I would check some normal sizes. Size 8 for women's. 6.5 youth. But yeah, $100 for these Vapor Max. And these are the 2023s, right? Yeah, 2023 Flyknits. Cosmic Unity go for $70. Silver Bullets going for $80. All Black also going for $80. Sagama Trails. These are some ACGs going for $80. Got some Dunk Highs right here going for $60. These are all canvas. Air Force 1 all black going for $90. Jordan 2s right here. Kind of like a UNC to Chicago theme. $120. Like I've mentioned, they do it big here. They do it big. I did peruse the athletic apparel one last time just to see if I missed anything. Didn't really see anything worth showing you guys. So that's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. I do have plenty of outlet videos. Click on one of these if you guys want to see more. Yeah, my last video, if you guys missed that one, check that out. It might be a Ross video or it might be the mall vlog. We'll see. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.